What happened, lad?
Stuck in the mud.
You can't park there, mate. Surely you wouldn't be that stupid to park there, would you?
Come here, mate.
Hassan, you wouldn't be that foolish to park there, would you, mate? Yo.
How he's getting out now, lad?
Brother, are you going to sleep in the back? Chilling.
Yeah, man.
All Tika, yeah? Well, I'll tell you what it is. Did you try and give her a push?
Oh, we pushed the trod.
Not happening.
Have you seen the...
Why did you park here, bro?
Whatever made you go in there in the first place? Some pikeys.
for a car.
Did you find any pikeys down there, you twat?
On the car we were looking for.
Place.
So what were you doing? Were you not the same lot that was up that end, checking the travellers out on the walkie-talkie? I seen you up that end. What were you looking for?
Two carloads like this, 2 cars. Yeah.
I bet you feel like right Wallies, don't you?
Stop, we're gonna be dead. Why did you?
But whatever possessed you to go in there, will you tell me?
To be honest, right, you look at it, it don't look as boggy as you think.
Until you stand out and do that.
Until you stand on it.
Look
Did
at that.
you think
Or in our example driver.
did you think the Peugeot 4-wheel drive?
It's not AM, mate.
Do you mind if I have a little go and try and get it out?
No, you're not jumping in.
Let us have a spin,
You
mate.
ain't jumping in this car.
Go on, mate. Give us a spin. Just one go.
You're not
Did
jumping
you all try and jump out and all of you push it and let one
He's
of
the
them
very
like
same as Frankie.
Yeah, we've tried to push.
Got on up to it.
Yeah.
Have you got the drone up there, lad?
Yeah. Mark less than
The little drone is fully in action now, mate. Doing a little survey. Do you feel boggy now when you're standing, lad?
Yeah,
Keep a lookout.
Stand on one foot and see will you sink.
it's long gone by now.
See will you sink if you stand on one foot.
No, you do see, look, you can see when you tread on
Definitely
it.
long gone now anyway, mate.
In the car, you look, you don't, it just looks like grass.
Who was driving? Female officer.
I ain't saying
He's not saying nothing. It wasn't Hassan. He's in the fucking back.
He's in the back, he's chilling.
Yo,
He don't like rain. Yeah.
Assalam.
Tika Sanjay.
Too chuffed, isn't
Fuck you, then, mate.
What is the sergeant gonna say? First thing
You know
he's gonna
what's
say?
happening.
Well, look.
You know what's
What
happening now,
possessed
innit?
you to go in there in the
You
first
know what's
place?
happening now, innit? Yous are getting took. This is getting took away. Yous are
Yous
getting
are
a
going
bike.
back on the pedal bike.
This is getting a good wash, this is. That's
Yeah.
what this is gonna
A
get.
bike yous are getting.
I think you need a good wash as well after this. Are you gonna have to? What it is, mate? He's gonna put you back on Bobby Foot Patrol.
Yeah.
Who was driving? Wasn't you?
I bet you said go in
You
there
were
and have a
driving
look. I
your
bet it's
foot.
down in them woods.
Nah.
Fuck you, then.